What if your small bedroom could feel like a five-star serene sanctuary without sacrificing a single inch of space? Living in a smaller home or apartment often feels like a constant battle between style and functionality. You want the calming, organic elegance of modern design, but storage needs and awkward layouts quickly clutter your sanctuary. That's where the magic of Luxury Japandi Smart Furniture comes in. Japandi design blends Japanese minimalism with Scandinavian warmth, and when combined with modern smart engineering, it completely transforms how we experience compact living spaces. Today, we're diving into how you can use these timeless principles and futuristic solutions to elevate your bedroom into an airy, high-end retreat. Embracing natural materials with a high-tech twist. At the heart of Japandi design lies a deep appreciation for raw, natural textures like warm oak, light ash, bamboo, and linen. But in a modern bedroom, beauty must meet function. Designers are now crafting luxury Japandi smart furniture that conceals powerful technology beneath rich wooden surfaces. Think of a sleek timber nightstand with integrated wireless charging pads seamlessly carved into the wood grain, or soft ambient underbed lighting activated by hidden motion sensors. By keeping the tech invisible, you maintain a grounded, earthy atmosphere while enjoying effortless modern convenience. The art of concealed storage and visual weight. One mistake many homeowners make in small bedrooms is cluttering the floor with multiple bulky storage units. This adds unnecessary visual weight and makes the room feel instantly claustrophobic. Instead, focus on visual flow and low-profile silhouettes. Consider a floating platform bed equipped with motorized, whisper-quiet storage drawers beneath the frame. Because the frame sits slightly off the ground with hidden support legs, light passes under it, creating the illusion of more floor space while hiding away seasonal clothing and extra bedding. Balancing scale and proportion with multifunctional elements. When space is limited, every piece of furniture must earn its place. Achieving proper scale and proportion means choosing items that fit the room's dimensions without overwhelming the eye. Modern Japandi smart pieces excel at multifunctionality. Imagine a minimalist wall-mounted oak vanity that smoothly unfolds into an ergonomic work desk with built-in LED task lighting and power outlets. During the day, it serves as your private office. At night, it folds flat against the wall, restoring peace, negative space, and balance to your sleeping area. Color psychology and texture layering for calm. Color deeply affects how big a room feels and how you feel inside it. Japandi interiors rely on a soothing palette of muted creams, soft warm grays, beige, and subtle clay tones. To prevent a neutral room from feeling flat or sterile, layering textures is essential. Pair smooth matte wood smart furniture with tactile fabrics like boucle, washed linen, and wool throws. This subtle contrast engages the senses and builds a cozy, tactile atmosphere without adding visual chaos or clutter. Maximizing natural light and smart ambient glow. Light is one of the most effective tools for making a small space feel expansive. While maximizing daytime natural light through sheer window treatments is crucial, nighttime illumination sets the ultimate mood. Smart lighting plays a huge role in Luxury Japandi Smart Furniture integration. Look for bed frames or wardrobes featuring dimmable, high CRI lighting strips with adjustable color temperatures. Soft, warm light bouncing off natural wood textures relaxes your nervous system and prepares your mind for deep, restorative sleep. Flexible space planning with modular layouts. Fixed layouts can trap you in a rigid routine that doesn't adapt to your daily life. Space planning in a small bedroom requires flexibility and fluid movement. Modular Japandi furniture systems allow you to reconfigure your setup as your needs change. Swapping or repositioning modular wardrobe components, floating shelves, or side units keeps the space dynamic and open. When your furniture adapts to you, your room maintains a sense of harmony and unencumbered visual flow, creating a focal point with intentional simplicity. Every great room needs a single, captivating focal point that draws the eye without overwhelming the senses. In a luxury Japandi bedroom, this is often a low-profile headboard made from slatted wood or upholstered in soft organic fabric. By integrating subtle backlight controls directly into the headboard wings, you eliminate the need for clutter-prone bedside lamps. This intentional simplicity creates an anchor for the room, establishing an immediate sense of order and high-end tranquility the moment you step through the door. Maintaining negative space and wabi-sabi harmony. Here's why designers love this approach. Japandi design embraces the philosophy of wabi-sabi, finding beauty in simplicity and imperfection, combined with the Scandinavian concept of hygge. To achieve this, negative space, or the empty area around your furniture, is just as important as the furniture itself. Resisting the urge to fill every corner allows the room to breathe. When you combine smart, space-saving furniture with generous negative space, your bedroom transforms from a cramped sleeping area into a quiet, mindful sanctuary. Which of these luxury Japandi smart furniture ideas would you try first in your own home? Would a floating storage bed or a hidden wall desk work best for your space? Creating a high-end, restful bedroom in a small footprint isn't about compromising. It's about making smarter, more intentional choices. By pairing the natural, minimalist beauty of Japandi aesthetics with hidden smart technology, you can maximize your space, boost functionality, and enjoy a timeless sanctuary every single day. If you found these design insights helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more modern interior design tips. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to check out our video on small space layout mistakes to keep elevating your home today.